vehicle. You chose a wonderful, well taken care of green in color 2015 Ford F150 crew cab. As you can see, it has dual doors all through the vehicle as well. Come on in, let's take a closer look inside. You can see it's cloth gray interior that's been well taken care of. On the steering wheel, we have cruise control. We have Bluetooth capability as well as adjusting of the music. As we go to the center console, you'll see that you have cold air for the summer, hot heat for the winter. This vehicle has so many wonderful features to it. It is too many to go into detail, but I know you saw the low price as well as the low miles. This vehicle is not going to be here long. Richard, I need you to call me on my cell phone or text me so we can set up a time that's convenient for you to come out today at 205-702-1029. I am, however, going to be here until 8 o'clock tonight, so come on by to 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank here on Highway 31. Richard, here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it, because I know I'll see you soon.